Hello my fellow food pillars. I thought I would just do a quick little screencast video just to show everybody the Rocket Chat channel, just because not everybody's jumped on yet. Basically, once you join, there's a general channel, which is me kind of basically posting the results that I had, some videos, and then I'm going to keep posting here of what I'm doing now after the diet. Then we have channels here which are going to be public, so you would post here if you have any helpful hints after doing the first week, after doing the second week, if there's any cheating, exercise stuff, and then tips and tricks. People are posting in here giving tips and tricks on like how to swallow pills, when to set reminders, etc. Feel free to add additional stuff. This will be for people who come after you as a super helpful resource, plus you can learn some stuff. And then for our little group of 6 people, we have our own little test group. It's a private channel, so if we want to put in anything in here that we don't want everyone else to see down the road, for example, we're putting the spreadsheet that actually has our weights. This will be the spreadsheet where we record our weight loss each week. If you want to add anything about flatulence or burping, this will be our private channel. And then if you click the search right here, you can search for a new name, and then once you add them, it basically comes down into your direct channel so that you can actually direct message each other. And you can also always add an @ and then put a name, and then that will notify them and they'll get a little email so they can come back and chat. So pretty helpful stuff. Obviously trying to get everybody interacting, it kind of all helps us and keeps us all motivated.